problems often initially present themselves as confusion and disarray. The immediate reaction to a problem can be overwhelming, inducing a sense of chaos. This disorientation can hinder effective problem solving if not addressed. The first critical step in problem solving is to pause and reflect. Following reflection, clearly define the problem that needs to be addressed. A well-defined problem is essential for identifying appropriate solutions. Complex problems should be deconstructed into smaller, manageable components for effective resolution. The deconstruction process involves differentiating between superficial symptoms and underlying root causes. Further breakdown of problems into solvable parts can be achieved through methods like mind mapping. Effective resource allocation is crucial in addressing each component of the deconstructed problem. Effective problem solving relies on generating a broad spectrum of potential solutions. Brainstorming sessions are crucial for fostering unrestricted thinking and creativity. These sessions should encourage the exploration of unconventional and novel ideas. Seemingly impractical suggestions can often trigger innovative solutions. The goal is to create an environment where all ideas are considered without initial judgment. This approach maximizes the chances of discovering breakthrough solutions to complex problems. Each potential solution requires thorough evaluation based on logic and data. This evaluation involves carefully weighing the advantages and disadvantages of each solution. A key part of the evaluation is assessing the costs and benefits associated with each option. The ultimate goal is to select the solution that best aligns with overall objectives and values. This selection process may lead to choosing a solution that isn't the most convenient but is the most effective. The implementation phase converts theoretical solutions into tangible progress. This phase requires concrete actions like coding and rigorous testing. Client meetings are essential for aligning the implementation with expectations. Milestones are used to track and measure the project's advancement. Post-implementation, testing is essential to confirm the solution's effectiveness. Testing involves verifying that the solution adequately addresses the initial problem. Key metrics should be monitored to assess the solution's performance. Monitoring these metrics allows for data-driven performance evaluation. Adjustments should be made based on the data to optimize outcomes. Analyzing solution results offers insights into its effectiveness. This analysis involves collecting relevant data. Collected data is then interpreted to understand the solution's impact. The analysis helps identify areas where the solution excels. It also pinpoints areas that require further improvement. Problem solving extends beyond immediate solutions. It represents a continuous learning process. Each solved problem offers valuable experience. This experience enhances individual and team capabilities. It prepares them for future challenges and complexities. Sharing lessons learned from problem solving is crucial for organizational development. This process includes documenting the steps taken during problem resolution. Challenges encountered should also be recorded to provide context. The implemented solutions need to be clearly articulated for future reference. Documenting these experiences allows others to learn and improve their problem-solving skills. Sharing this knowledge contributes to continuous improvement and prevents repeated mistakes within the organization. Problem-solving skills are integral to strategic thinking and planning within organizations. Effective problem-solving involves identifying and understanding the underlying causes of issues. Developing solutions requires a proactive approach to address challenges before they escalate. Strategic planning benefits from problem-solving by anticipating potential future obstacles. Organizations can use problem-solving to create robust strategies that account for various contingencies. Ultimately, problem-solving contributes to achieving long-term organizational goals through proactive adaptation.